Is your console suddenly refusing to turn on or shutting down without warning in the middle of a game? Don't worry, because there is one common mistake that most gamers make which could be killing your power supply right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we are identifying that one major hardware killer and giving you the advanced steps to fix your power issues instantly. The big mistake is poor ventilation coupled with vertical positioning, which causes dust to trap heat directly over the power supply unit. This leads to a thermal trip where the system cuts all electricity to protect the motherboard from permanent heat damage. Let's jump straight into the 10 essential fixes to restore your power and protect your hardware. Step 1. Turn off your console and unplug the power cord from the wall for at least 20 minutes to allow the internal components to cool down. Step 2. Move your console from a vertical position to a horizontal one to ensure the liquid metal and heat sink are performing at peak efficiency. Step 3. Take off the side plates and use a vacuum or a can of compressed air to clear out the dedicated dust catcher holes near the fan. Step 4. Inspect your power cable for any signs of melting or discoloration and replace it with a high-quality, heavy-duty alternative if needed. Step 5. Plug your console directly into a wall outlet rather than a power strip to ensure it gets the full voltage required for high-end gaming. Step 6. Boot your system into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear the second beep to check for system software errors. Step 7. Select the option to rebuild the database to clear out corrupted data that might be causing a software-based power loop. Step 8. Ensure your HDMI 2.1 cable is securely connected, because a loose display cord can sometimes trigger an accidental power down signal. Step 9. Go into your system settings and disable the rest mode feature to prevent the power supply from staying in a low voltage state for too long. Step 10. Check your external SSD or USB accessories and unplug them to see if a faulty peripheral is drawing too much current from the board. Here's a pro tip for you. Always leave at least 6 inches of open space behind your console. Many people tuck their system into a tight media cabinet, which creates a heat oven effect that will eventually fry the internal power regulator regardless of how clean the fan is. If you face any difficulty getting your power back on, or if the system still feels too hot, just leave a comment below. I will be monitoring the thread and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these tips saved your console today, please like this video and share it with your gaming group. Be sure to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert hardware advice. You are all set to keep your power stable and stay in the game.